My responsibilities in Nigerian Institute of Welding, it's all encompassing. When you are the chief executive, you're responsible for the system. You're responsible for aligning management activities in line with the vision of the institution, as well as managing the image of the organization. You are heavily responsible for driving the continuity of the organization and satisfaction of your staff and personnel. That's one side. On the other side, you are responsible in your management activities to develop content and solutions that actually solve the real problems that are existing in the industry. For instance, skill development is not just to award skills, but how effective are your training processes? Do they actually impact the skill which in the industry that they appreciate? That's one aspect. Another aspect is technologically. What deep end recommendations can you give to the industry in terms of best practices? Say, hey, this system is good, but we think if you apply it this way or you adopt this machine, it might be this, but it might drop your operational cost, increase your productivity, and may put you in a better format to get more to become more technically competent. So as a chief executive, you must keep coming up with solutions that actually addresses, but your focus is not only industry, you also have your personnel, your staff. If your staff are not satisfied, if they are not motivated, you also will not be able to provide solutions. So you are also responsible to keep your staff motivated, to provide solutions to their professional, technical, financial challenges as well. That's the job. I think that's the summary of my job as a chief executive.